What's up, y'all? All right, we got another single take event 8-6 day. Well, right now we're gonna start with the Hondas because we're in Honda land right now. I hang out this S2000. I think it's a California car. Pretty sure because it's rust free and it's unfaded. Some sweet rides here. IS300. Stick too, bro. Kitted up. Joe, gotta check this out. See, everyone's up over on this.
Gates or something. Yeah, gates.
Look at that. It's an Arizona bottle. Oh no, I'm sorry. It's completely ITP. That's so clean. What do you think, bro? That's it? It's just like. That's sick, man. How many miles are on this?
Just hit like 60,000.
60,000? Is that the original motor?
Yes.
Dang, bro.
Yeah. This is a Michigan car too, so.
Wow, that's insane. That's awesome, man. These Kona's flow forms are so sick, dude. Look at that fitment. Look at that fitment. Yo, Tito. You guys should twin it up, bro.
What's that?
He's got an MR2. Did you check out? Did you show him yours?
Yeah.
Oh, hell yeah. That's what's up. That is sick.
But yeah, I don't know if I want to drive this all the way. I'm driving.
Porsche. GT86s.
Actually, no, it was like security. Oh, okay. For his vlog?
Yeah, you're vlogging right now. It's a single take too. Live. It's like live because I'm not gonna edit this. Sick. These dudes love to cruise. $400. So V8 baby. Working on that. It's the project. GT Skyline. Eagle Talon. I love this car right here. You guys always see this car in the video. Look at this. I'm talking about the spokes, bro. I'm talking about the spokes. That's the Mexican in me. It's speaking out. Look at this, man. Look at this. He's got pearls. Pearls. Ladies. Come on now. It's freaking sick. Oh, what? Added that. Woo. Sheesh. Check this out. All right, we're going to get the 8-6 day stuff in a second here. But these are all the homies. We all know each other. So. This small event.
Like the roof, I just like, press level to it. So I'm just like sanding, the only reaching I'm doing when I'm like this.
I used to have a DTS hatchback.
All right, you've seen a feature video. If you watch all my videos, I got a feature on this car.
I've only lost like 5 people trying to follow me. They have too much of the painting, but whatever, dude. It's all about.
Check out that carbon fiber, bro. Hey, y'all need some wheels? Hit up the Hyats. This is sick. Oh, a little itchy. Chicago boys right here.
It just sat there. It didn't like hit it.
Yeah, this is sick, man. I always sport the small wheels. Gotta show off the wheels. All right, here's Tito's car. Another MR2. Seats are pretty solid, man. Look at that. Look at that. No booty rip. There's no farts. No fart stains either. Yo, he showed up for the 8.6 meet. It's like, yo, that's supercharged. Supercharged valve cover. That's sick, bro. Still got the badging, the side skirts, front lip. Oh no. Did you guys catch this? He's got, I think, oh, it's got the MR2. The MR2, oh, sheesh. This is a wing, man. Old Supra. Tag radio is Audi. There's the Miata. GTR. We all rode up here together, so we just cruised out. Miata again. And last car, Honda Fit. These are great track cars. Well, that's it. Super small meet, super just great. Some of my favorite people actually drive pretty far to come out here. So we'll catch you in the next one. I'm actually gonna go to Woodward after this. Maybe we'll just get a Woodward video.